Hello, first graders. Today we are going to be using our flashcards. We're going to be putting the answers on the back of the flashcards so you can practice your adding one facts that we have been working on in the past few lessons. So I want you to put me on pause. By the way, this is Mrs. Huffman. I want you to put me on pause, and I want you to put your cards in order so that you have the switch around facts, 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 1, and the switch around facts, 1 plus 5 and 5 plus 1, the commutative property, flip-flop facts. I want you to pause me and put your cards so that they're on top of each other, the 1 plus 9 and the 9 plus 1. I think you can see what I'm doing. And then unpause me, and we're going to write the answers. All right, so I'm going to write the answers on the front, but you're going to write the answers on the back, because when we're done, we're going to be playing a little game. So 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 1 is, I hope you said 1. So I want you to write a 1 on the back of both of those cards. Write a 1 on the back of both of those cards. I'm going to leave it like that so that you, in case you get mixed up, you can come back and see the answer. 1 plus 1, that's a doubles fact. That answer is 2. 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2, the number right next to 2 on the number line, his next door neighbor is, you're right, 3. Put a 3 on the back of both of those fact cards. 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 3. The 3's next door neighbor is 4, so we can say 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 and his next door neighbor is 5, so put a 5 on the back of both of those cards. 5 plus 1 and 1 plus 5. 5's next door neighbor is 6. Put a 6 on back of those cards. 6 plus 1 and 1 plus 6. Next door neighbor to 6 is, you're right, 7. 7 plus 1 and 1 plus 7. 7's next door neighbor is, that's right, 8. 8 plus 1 and 1 plus 8. 8's next door neighbor is, you're right, 9. 9 plus 1 and 1 plus 9. If you have 9 and you add 1 more, you get 10. Good. Now I want you to mix all of those up. And I have the answers on the front, so I need to get mine. And you're going to put them in a pile, and you're going to practice saying the facts. So I'm going to move these out of the way. And you have yours in a pile. You're going to say 1 plus 0 is 1. You're going to look on the back and see if your answer is right. If it's right, you're going to put it on the table. 0 plus 1 is 1. If you get it right, your answer on the back says 1. You're going to put it on the table. 1 plus 6 is 5. If my answer is wrong, because on the back it says it's 7, I'm going to put it underneath so I get that problem again. And I want you to play that game several times with your adding one fact cards. All right, friends, keep practicing those adding one facts. You need to get out your fact practice and your guided class practice for lesson 36. See you in a minute.